So on the new truck video, on the exhaust video, on all the kind of contemplation videos I had, if I was asking if I should buy this, thank you guys so much for the support on those. It's freaking sweet. Just hit 400 subscribers this morning, so just straight up thank you guys for the support. It seems like it's starting to ramp up. My efforts are seeming to pay off a little bit. But man, thank you guys for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that stuff. Keep it up, tell your friends. This is big. But in all honesty, I do appreciate the support and interaction and stuff from everybody on the channel. It means a lot to me. And yeah, just thank you guys. A lot more to come on this truck. And hopefully if all goes well, maybe we'll get something else in addition to this, not sell it. I'm probably gonna keep this thing forever. Anyways, today we're gonna be talking about suspension and what's going on to this truck. I'm super excited. It is Thursday. Truck's going in for tint tomorrow, Friday, and then Monday we're getting my wheels and tires and intake from the old truck. The lift kit's going on to this one, and then she's gonna be sitting purty. So for now, the only thing done to my 2021 truck that we're in currently, muffler delete with a straight pipe replacement. I have the range AFM disabler chip because this truck has AFM, not DFM. And I put the 50 cal back on. So that's pretty much it. With the exhaust, the flapper did come off and the resonators were untouched. So I forgot to make that clear in the other video. So if you watch that one or curious, flapper valve gone, resonators still intact, uncovered, uncut. So here's gonna be a little taste of highway acceleration and sound. Still haven't floored the truck yet. I think I'm gonna wait till 1,000 miles. Manual says 500, but I just wanna be safe. First brand new vehicle, you know how it goes. So this is the highway drone now at about 70. If you go a little bit slower, it gets louder. I found 75 is pretty bearable, but this is what it sounds like. All right, y'all, starting off, apologizing for the wind, nothing I can do, but what comes on this truck stock is the same as the black truck. So we're looking at longer front struts, new CV axles, and then I'm pretty sure that's it for the front. And then they do bigger blocks in the rear. Back there, and then I think they adjust the bump stop or something. So that's the 2-inch factory GM lift. It comes on the Trail Boss. It was on my black truck. You can order it. It's like $1,300. So it's a 2-inch in the front and then 1 inch in the rear, I'm pretty sure. I mean, it gives it a good stance. It maintains the factory rake too. So if y'all follow trucks at all, you should know. 2-inch factory jam lift, comes on the Trail Boss Custom and Trail Boss LT, and you can buy it separately. Black truck had it. So coming back here, we're gonna see what did I order. There she is. All right, so what we got here, look at that, 2019 up AT4 Trail Boss plus 2-inch SST lift. So that's what we went with. And here's what you get in the box. Man, this is exciting, look at this. Rollover hazard, baby, that's exactly what we want. Got ready lift suspension, look, might put that on somewhere. That's the instructions, so here's what we get. Essentially, with any lift kit on top of the Trail Boss, you're just adding onto what exists. So this is 2-inch on top of the 2-inch. So this is gonna be a true 4-inch lift on my truck. If you followed me for the black truck, I put a 1 3/4 inch leveling kit only on the front. So that wasn't a true 4-inch lift. This is gonna net us 4. So in this box, hopefully those don't blow away, we get new upper control arms. These things are hefty, these are huge. That's freaking sweet. We got top spacers, preload spacers. I'm pretty sure these are preload spacers, or these are preload spacers. I don't really know the parts. I know it comes with a front spacer, a preload spacer, upper control arms, new rear blocks, new U-bolts, all the hardware. Look at this, boys. Oh, man. So this is a true lift kit because I am raising the rear. On the black truck, I didn't do anything. So this is gonna give us another 2 in the front, 1 in the rear. New control arms, which I'm real happy about, just because, you know, you can correct those angles. And I mean, look at these Johnnies. These things are freaking... Hold on. I mean, compared to those, wow, dude, those are some beefy upper control arms. That's gonna be sweet. So yeah, there it is in all its glory. We're definitely gonna put one of these plaques somewhere. Huge upper control arms, all the good stuff here. I'm excited, man. I am super excited. We're gonna hop back in the truck real quick just so y'all can hear me. God, this thing's heavy. It's probably about 50 pounds, lots of parts. I went with that kit just so I didn't have to chop anything off this truck, first off. And second off, I'm getting my wheels and tires back from the black truck. And if I went with a 6-inch, I wasn't sure if those would look too small. And I didn't want to buy new tires again because those were really expensive. And I'm getting them back. So I think they're going to look freaking sweet with a 4-inch lift. We're going to have a true 4-inch lift. And once those run down, if I'm feeling it, I might go 6-inch on this truck and then go some 35 1250s. I think I could probably squeeze some 35 1250s into the 4-inch lift anyway. So I don't know. We'll see. But man, you can't tell. I'm freaking excited. 4 days away from getting it all done. And then the truck is going to have, everything. So I mentioned previously, yeah, I would call it a 4-inch lift on my black truck. It wasn't truly. All I did was add a 1 3/4 inch leveling kit to the front of the exact same lift kit that's on this truck. So I could go out, I could have that leveling kit put on and would be at the same exact height and stance as the black truck, but this is actually going to be taller. God dang, this thing, it looks so good. It looks better every day. I'm really liking the front end, kind of more than my black truck, to be honest. It just reminds me a lot of the 2008. Just the way the headlights are set up, it looks mean as hell. God, I cannot wait until Monday. This thing's gonna look so freaking sweet.